In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check site permissions in Firefox. This is an essential skill for managing your browsing experience and ensuring your online security. Let's get started. First, open your Firefox browser. You can do this by locating the Firefox icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you double-click that icon, the browser will launch. You will see a familiar homepage with a clean layout. At this point, make sure that you are connected to the internet so you can access all features smoothly. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything we will do next. Next, click the application menu in the top right corner of Firefox. This menu is represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. When you click it, a drop-down will appear, revealing various options you can choose from. This step is important because it leads you to the settings where you can manage your site permissions effectively. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this menu will be your gateway to many useful features. From there, select Settings. Clicking on this option will take you to a new page filled with customizable features for your browser. You will see various tabs on the left side, along with several categories on the right. It is here where you will find the settings that control how websites interact with your browser. This is a critical step as it gives you the power to personalize your browsing experience according to your needs. After that, click on Permissions and Data. You will find this option among the various categories listed in the Settings menu. Once you click on it, you'll see a section dedicated to site permissions. This is where you will manage permissions for essential features such as location services, camera access, and notifications. Understanding this area is important because it helps maintain your privacy and ensures that you only allow access to features you are comfortable with. You will see a list of hardware and privacy categories, including location, camera, microphone, notifications, and autoplay. Each category represents a different permission that you can manage. As you look through this list, take note of what features are currently enabled or disabled for various sites. This overview is essential for keeping track of your permissions and making changes as necessary. You want to ensure that your online experience is as secure as possible. Now, Firefox will display a list of every website you have ever allowed or blocked for that feature. You can select a site and click Remove Website to reset its access level. This action allows you to revoke permissions if you ever feel uncomfortable with a site's level of access. It gives you control over what information you share and with whom. This capability is empowering as it helps you maintain your privacy while using the web. At this point, you have successfully checked and managed your site permissions in Firefox. Understanding how to navigate these settings is crucial for any internet user. It ensures that you have control over your online interactions and helps protect your personal information. Remember to revisit these settings periodically to ensure your preferences remain up to date. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.